Car Mechanic Simulator 2026 black screen issue, stuck on black screen on PC. 1. Restart your PC, close Car Mechanic Simulator 2026 completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Car Mechanic Simulator 2026 Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use Clean Installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 4. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or .exe file. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam's Epic Launcher as administrator. 5. Disable full screen optimizations. Right-click the game executable file. Open Properties, Compatibility. Enable Disable full screen optimizations. 6. Launch the game in windowed mode. Open Steam Launch Options. Add Windowed Launch command. Start the game again afterward. 7. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 8. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. 9. Delete corrupted cache and shader files. Press Windows R, type local app data %, and press Enter. Delete Car Mechanic Simulator 2026 cache shader files carefully. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Car Mechanic Simulator 2026 completely. Delete leftover game cache files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.